Hello, Zachary here. Guess what? I've got a brand new t-shirt in the merch store, ready for you to buy. And of course, to support this channel. And as a little bonus, you got Z3DP Crew on the back, with of course the 3 as in 3D prints. Get yours today in the merch store, with also maybe some other things you can buy. Thank you.
Maybe you have heard about it, the shopping site Wish. Is it similar like AliExpress, Banggood, GearBest, maybe Amazon? Is it really the same? I bought several things and one of them was supposed to be a 3D printer. In this video, should you buy a 3D printer on Wish and which alternatives you have besides Wish? Right here on Zachary's 3D Prints. Hello, I'm Zachary and this channel is about 3D printing with tips, tricks, tutorials, how to review news, anything 3D printing or 3D printer related you can find right here on this channel. If you're new here and not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and hit the notification button to get the latest news and updates right in your YouTube alerts. If you want to have an inside scoop before YouTube, please check me on Zachary_Bergen on Twitter. Thank you for being here. So, but why this video? After I did already a video about Wish. Well, to cut to the chase, should you buy a 3D printer on Wish or not? Well, if you are going to compare it with other sites, this site isn't straightforward. You really have to read carefully. You have to dig deep into different kind of text and also the settings. Sometimes it's translated from a Asian kind of language to English. That shouldn't be the problem, but most of the machines are priced very expensively. Or you have it very cheap and you are fooled with a different kind of product, but that I will show you later on in this video. But also something very familiar, the Anet 3D printer and the Ender 3D printer. For this video I put different kind of sites on to compare the Wish 3D printer with the printer on AliExpress, Banggood and also on Amazon. So to compare, make some comparisons between the different kind of sites and which kind of prices you can expect for the machine. It's not a saying that when you can buy a 3D printer as close as to the factory, you should get the best possible price. I don't know, but in my opinion, what I saw different kind of times when I was looking on Kickstarter, they are saying buying from the factory you will get the lowest possible price. I don't know how it is with Wish, but I wouldn't buy anything on Wish, to my opinion. So to come to the question, should you buy a 3D printer on Wish? Or which kind of alternative do you have to buy something except from Wish? You see the standard machines that you will find everywhere else. So in that, Wish is nothing different, should you say. Well, the first 3D printer is the Anet ET4X. It's a 3D printer kit, all full metal frame, 2.8-inch color touchscreen, support resume printing, filament run out detection, and then also the printing volume 220 x 220 x 250 millimeters. Built with 8 GB TF card, 10 meters of PLA filament for home and school use. That is, believe it or not, the official title of this advertisement on Wish. On AliExpress, however, you got, this is translated from Chinese into Dutch, but it says Anet ET4X 3D printer, auto load filament, blah blah blah. So here we are going to compare the prices. This is based upon my location where I'm living in Europe, in the Netherlands. So on Wish you have a price of 56 euros. Then you also have the shipping, and for the express shipping you will pay 10 euros extra on top of it. When I'm going to buy exactly the same kind of printer, it is going to be shipped from out of Germany, so within the EU, and I will pay 115 euros and 78 cents, and it is free shipping. So here we have a huge difference between the two prices. With the price of the Wish website, I can buy two of those and still be under the price on Wish. So let's take a look at one of the most famous 3D printers of them all, the Ender 3. The first Ender 3 is on Wish 288 euros, and you also need to pay 10 euros on shipping cost. The same 3D printer you can buy on AliExpress for 149 euros and 67 euro cents, and it has free shipping, even ships with DHL. On Banggood, this same 3D printer has a price tag of 146 euros and 4 cents, but here you have to pay a whopping 66 euro cents for shipping cost. On Amazon, you can buy the same kind of 3D printer for 174 euros and 31 euro cents. I'm not going to mention here the shipping cost because it's from the Amazon.com website, and so it calculates the price from United States to the Netherlands, and I would pay 112 euros for the shipping cost, so it's quite expensive. But other than that, it's going about the price that you have to pay for getting the Ender 3. This is one of the things where you can think, well, I have a big deal on my hands. Or maybe not. On Wish, the Creality Ender 3 Pro for a price of 140 euros and 26 euro cents. Yes, you heard me correctly. This 3D printer is way cheaper than the Ender 3. However, keep in mind that the standard shipping price is 85 euros and 97 euro cents. So almost 90 euros for only the shipping cost, which makes this still cheaper than the Ender 3. However, if we are going to look for a other Ender 3 Pro on the same Wish website, you have one for 300 euros. If you are thinking that it is free shipping, well, guess again. You have two options. You have the express shipping, arrives by Saturday, then you will pay 15 euros to get it faster. The standard shipping is 10 euros. So, you really have to make sure that you are going to select the right one, because for 5 euros cheaper, you will get it in very short time. So, let's check this one on AliExpress. AliExpress sells the Creality Ender 3 Pro for 166 euros and 26 euro cents. As you guessed it, it's free shipping with DHL from out of Germany. On Banggood, this same 3D printer, the Creality Ender 3 Pro, is costing 162 euros and 35 euro cents, shipped from out of Spain, and you pay for the shipping cost 1 euro and 26 euro cents. And shipping time is around 4 till 6 days. And then we also have the Amazon website. For Amazon, you will pay for the Ender 3 Pro 203 euro and 37 euro cents. Like mentioned, I'm not going to tell the shipping cost of this 3D printer. Let's check the other printer. So, and the last one in the row. I'm not sure if I can say if this is a 3D printer you can buy on Wish or not, but you know, I had my experience with the 3D printer, which was a 3D pen. but I'm mentioning it anyways because this is what you will see if you are looking for 3D printer kits on Wish. Because if you are looking for a 3D printer, well, sometimes you see women boobs with a pen in between it. I don't know what's the catch with that, but okay. So on Wish you have a artillery Sidewinder, and those machines are expensive. Well, here on the shopping site of Wish it's 38 euros. But hey, if you are going to click further, you see different kind of 3D printers. Here you can guess already that it's going about the filament. But still, $38 for PETG filament. But then, if you look to the title, 2021 upgraded professional industrial grade quality 3D printer, economic Ender DIY kit with resume printing device, fluorescent 1.75mm PETG 3D printer filament, odorless, low shrinking rate. Really, that is the title of this advertisement. So here you have a drop down menu for the size 1.75, and the color there you can select all kind of colors of filament. So here it is clearly going about the filaments, but still, if I see an image of a Sidewinder 3D printer, it's weird. But hey, let's compare it with an official website with advertisement of a 3D printer. It's the artillery Sidewinder on AliExpress for a price of 333 euros and 55 cents. And as you can guess it, as the other times, free shipping. This one is shipped from out of Czechia, but shipping time is around the 4 till 7 days. Also on Banggood, this Sidewinder artillery is 325 euros and 52 cents, and you pay for the shipping €1.73, and it is shipped within the 4 till 6 days. Then Amazon is also selling this 3D printer, of course they do, and here you can buy it. This is the most expensive price that I can find on Amazon. This 3D printer from Artillery, the Sidewinder X1, is for 439 euros. As mentioned the other times, I'm not going to mention the shipping price. So after watching all 3 3D printers I could find on Wish, compared with the sites like AliExpress, Banggood and Amazon. Of course there are many other sites like GearBest and some other websites where you can buy 3D printers. It's always good to make a little comparison before you are going to buy it. Are they able to ship it to your location at a fair price? For me, when I order something on Amazon and it is going to be shipped from the United States to me, I pay something like 280 euros to get it here from the US. So buying it on AliExpress or Banggood, I pay little to less for this same kind of 3D printer. You have the saying, if the price sounds too good to be true, then it isn't true. Always check when you are going to buy something on the shopping site of Wish. I was in the beginning very skeptical about it, and I thought, well, I'm just going to buy several small items which I don't mind to throw away if it is bad or if it is not working. After contacting with customer service of Wish, some of the products got refunded and I still have the products even though they don't work. Maybe I can find something to repair it where possible. For example, the cloned BL Touch. I don't know if it is really a good idea to use something like that instead of going for the original product from Ant Collabs. To recommend, should you buy something on Wish or not? Depends on your taste. If you don't mind throwing a very cheap thing away, then please go ahead. If you are going to look specifically for a 3D printer or 3D printer parts, maybe you should not buy it on Wish. For me, the main website I always use to buy my stuff is or AliExpress or on Banggood. Those two websites deliver at a very precise date schedule. Like I ordered my Ender 6 and my FL Sun QQS Delta printer, they were shipped in a very short time period, even when it was Christmas holidays. And the prices, compared the prices from AliExpress, Banggood and Amazon compared with Wish. I know for a fact when you are buying it on AliExpress, Banggood or even Amazon, that you will get your stuff which you ordered and not some fake product which you didn't order at all, or where you can discuss about it if it is, in this case, a 3D printer or if it is a 3D pen. My youngest daughter of 7 and my other daughter of 9-year-old, they could see the difference between a pen and a 3D printer. So that was my opinion about it. Please, one advice, if you decide to buy something on Wish, please check everything before you are going to buy it. If there is a possibility to contact the seller, please do so before you are going to waste your money on useless products. This video is supported by these Patreon supporters: Tony, Shannon, Lawyer Moses and Michael. Thank you for your awesome support. You can also support this channel by checking the link in the description to support this channel. If you are still watching this video, thank you, you are amazing. On the end card, there's some recommended videos worth watching. And while you're out there, check out the merch in the merch store to support this channel. Please like this video, share this video with other people and also social media. And hey, let's make some fun with 3D printing. Zachary 3D Prints. Bye bye. Oh yes, finally I can close my account on Wish, because I was waiting for the moment to make this video and finally closing this whole website. Bye bye.